Ruby and I'm a client of Volume Extension Collection, and I was just wanting to give you a little bit of feedback from how we met and how I became a client. It was about 5 years ago that she was doing a show or showing her pieces at a salon where I get my hair cut. My hairstylist actually invited me to come see her, and when I did, I knew immediately that I would love to have a piece. And then Lauren put me a piece on my hair and I fell in love with it immediately. My hair was much shorter then. It was almost like a man's haircut, so I just had a topper on the top. Everybody was flabbergasted, including myself. I cried with joy because with a man, when they lose their hair, you know, it's not as taboo as when a woman has thin hair. And there's not much you can do with a woman's thin hair. And for so long I used to look down at the ground when I was walking because I didn't even want to make eye contact with people. But after that night, it changed my life forever. I started looking up, and actually I held my head higher than looking up because I thought I looked real good. This is my third piece with her, and my hair had grown out, so she gave me a longer piece, and I just cannot say enough good things about it. People do not even know that it's not my hair. It's easy to take care of, and she always backs her products, and I could never be happier than I am right now.